Alright guys, do you have a door sensor or a window sensor in your house that appears like it no longer functions? This is how to test it. When the door is closed, jump across these two wires with your ohm meter. Okay, it shows that the connection is closed between those two contacts. Open the door, that should go to infinite resistance. You see how it stayed the same. We know that our contacts now are frozen in the closed state. So our alarm system thinks that this door is always closed whether it is open or not. Now this is a good sensor. I'll show you how it works. Jump across my two wires right here. Them showing infinite resistance. Bring my magnet up to it. Makes the connection between those two wires. Open, closed. Open, closed. So instead of calling the alarm guy out here, we're going to replace this magnetic door contact switch with this other one that I have. Alright guys, there you go. I had to extend the wires a little bit. It's a bit ugly right now. I'll clean those up a little bit later. That fixed our door, so our alarm is now sensing our door again. Will be to whatever intruder decides to open it, because the alarm will go off. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.